Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by selecting the regions you want to join. Click the first region, then shift-click additional regions or drag a marquee to include parts. Make sure Snap is set how you need it. Once done, small timing gaps become obvious. You want contiguous regions on the same track or overlapping takes. Logic can only join what's aligned. If fades exist, consider removing them first so audio aligns perfectly. This prevents unexpected crossfades during the join. With regions selected, execute Edit Join Regions or press Command-J to merge them into one. You'll do this after confirming there are no timing gaps or unwanted fades. Otherwise, Logic will preserve fades and may create new transitions. For take folders, open the take and use Merge or click Comping options to consolidate chosen lanes. Make sure to normalize or check gain if levels differ. Joining won't automatically adjust mismatched levels, so you may need a quick clip gain fix. After joining, play through the new region to confirm a seamless result. You're listening for clicks, pops, or level jumps. Use short crossfades or adjust clip gain if needed. If you notice artifacts undo apply fades, then rejoin. This often fixes transient issues. If the join fails outright, make sure the regions are on the same track, not protected, and share the same sample rate / format. Once you resolve those mismatches, repeat the join. A single decisive listen saves time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.